Okay, so we have another problem here. Last person to fit in the bus, which is of type medium. Okay, so we have a table name Q, which has 4 columns: person ID of type integer, person name of type varchar, weight of type integer, and turn of type integer. So person ID column contains unique values. This table has the information about all the people waiting for a bus. The person ID and turn columns will contain all the number from 1 to n, where n is the number of rows in the table. Turn determines the order of which the pupil will board the bus. Okay, so where turn is equals to 1 denotes the first person to board, and turn is equals to n denotes the last person to board. Weight is the weight of the person in kilograms. Okay, so here in the weight column contains integer value of weight, which is in kilograms. Okay, so there is a queue of people waiting to board a bus. However, the bus has a weight limit of 1000 kilograms only. So there may be some people who cannot board. So we need to write a solution to find the person name of the last person that can fit on the bus. Okay, so we need to find the last person who can sit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit. The test cases are generated such that the first person does not exceed the weight limit. Okay, so we know for sure that the first person does not exceed the weight of the bus. Okay, so here is the person queue table, which has person ID, person name, weight, and turn. And in the output we have John Cena. Wow. So we can see here, uh, here is the turn ID name. Okay, in output we have the turn. So ID with 5, its turn is first. So the total weight here right now is 250. Then we see that the turn 2 with person ID 3 has a weight 350. So the total weight will be 250 plus 350 is equal to 600. And now the third person whose ID is 3 is John Cena, whose weight is 400. So 600 plus 400 equals to 1000. So as we can see here, till here 3 person can sit on the bus, and the total weight of the bus is 1000. No other people can now board the bus. So we have only 3 people who can board the bus, and the last person to board the bus is John Cena. That is why we have our output as John Cena. Okay, so let's write the query here. First of all, we need to make sure that we get all the people uh, who are boarding the bus. Okay, so let's write the query by selecting the let's select everything, and also we will write a function, a row number function. No, we will write a sum function here, because we are counting the sum of the weight row wise. Okay, so what we will do here, we will simply sum the weight. Okay, W is capital, weight over, will simply order the turn, order the weight, counting the weight by the order of turn. Okay, so we will simply order by turn from Q. Okay, we will do one more thing. We will simply write it as the total weight. Okay, so we have total weight here from Q. Let's see what we are getting right now. Okay, so we have this whole table which has the person ID, person name, weight, turn, and weight ID, total weight. So as you can see here, we have all the data. Now we need to make sure that we filter the data for the people who can board the bus. So we can write a condition here, because we have what we can do, we can simply do one more thing here. We'll simply write a CTE with CTE as. Okay, now we will select the person name from CTE. Okay, now we want the last person who can board the bus. So we will select the person name from CTE, where total weight is at least smaller or equal to 1000. So with this query, we will get all the people who can board the bus. Okay. So we have Alice, Alex, and John Cena. Now we can do one more thing. We can simply order our data by the turn. Order by turn in descending order. With this, we will get John Cena on top, Alice, then Alex, then Alice. And we want only the last person, so we can limit our query to get only one row. With this, we will order our data by descending order, so we will get John Cena on top, and we will only get one row here. So let's see what we will get in our query. Okay, so the answer is correct. Let's submit it. So the solution is correct and it is accepted.